Fob limit, no building more than one fob. Fob will be removed, rebuilding the second fob after removal will result in a 1-day ban. So I just removed it. You know it's not a base.
Bruh.
It's a fob. Don't bruh me. I'm sick of people trying to loophole the rules.
It's a bird observation tower. We are simply trying to spot some hummingbirds. And maybe go hunting. With a bolt action rifle. It's my BOT.
You can take your BOT, and shove it.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands...
We need pigs. Oh, there's so many of them. Good one. Killed two. One's dead. Double brother.
It's because he wants. He wants. No, oh yeah, here I found it. Bam, the MP5 criminal.
He has like an 8-second timer. You know.
Okay, there's
Right, moves dead.
Lighthouse.
Let's see if they make the
Oh my god! Killed another.
Nice.
Double another. Triple it.
You guys build bird watching towers around my base.
Yeah, because then you come and find us.
Oh, he's doubled.
Love me, love my dog. Love me, love my dog.